Welcome back. Now we are starting from chapter 11. And the first exercises we're going to learn creating a geodatabase. So now let's go started in ArcMap. We start our ArcMap and open the blank map template. And then we're going to open the catalog window. So in the catalog window, we're going to navigate to the folder connection and double click. So my template and blank map, hit OK. And now we are going to ArcGIS43, and we're going to getting to know ArcGIS chapter 10. Nope, chapter 11 now. Yay. I thought still in chapter 10, sorry. And we're going to double click chapter 11 and click my data, and we're going to click new and file geodatabase. New and then file geodatabase. So it's under my data, and right click new and choose file geodatabase. And we're going to see it added a new file geodatabase for us. And now we're going to right click on it and click rename. So we're going to rename it city data. City data and hit enter, and you will import for shapefile into the new city data geodatabase. So to do that, we're going to right click on the geodatabase and click import. Here the option, since we are going to import for feature class, so we will do feature class multiple and move the feature class to geodatabase feature dialog box away from the catalog window. So I'm going to move around so you can see better. Now I'm going to resize it. It's a little weird, awkward. Now we can see everything here. And so we have health data. And we're going to move here. Or you can just drag it to there, or you can just click the folder. So the path to the feature class is displayed in the input feature box. In the output geodata box, catalog correctly assume you want to import the data into the city data geodatabase. You could change the output location if desired. But now here it's perfect. It's in my jump drive. Getting to know ArcGIS chapter 11, my data and geodatabase that we just created. And now we see one feature and we need to add more. So for the import feature earlier we did, we can just drag it one by one, or we need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4. So another way to do it, it's quicker, and you can just in this chapter 10, sorry, we need to go to chapter 11. Oh, sorry, I just remember chapter. And we already did health area. So health area. Now this 3 we can just select it and hit add, and now 3 shapefile will be added at the same time. So now instead of you drag one by one, which you could do that, and when the operation is complete, a pop-up notification appears in the lower right corner of your screen. So now we're going to click OK, waiting for the pop-up window. Then the shapefile to polygons 2 lines are converted to geodatabase feature class in the city data geodatabase. So now let's just wait a little bit, and we're going to see my geodatabase. And right now nothing happens until you see a plus sign, and everything will be there. And next we're going to preview the data to make sure it looks okay. So now in the Arc catalog tree, let's expand this so we can see better. And now it's completed. So you can see the plus sign in my geodatabase, and now everything is here. So now here we have the preview function, and if we do our catalog tree, and we just preview here, it's better, and everything we can see health area, neighborhood, and streets. This is line, and 2 polygons. And in the Arc catalog window, click the other feature class in city geodatabase. We observe that the item description window are now preview each feature class. So you still have a DBase file that we need to import it into your geodatabase. It is common to find data in a non-spatial format, which format such as this. In this case, Manhattan subway stop coordinates are stored in a spreadsheet along with other attributes. You will map the coordinates to create points that can be seen on the map. We're going to close the item description window in the Arc catalog window. Navigate to the Chapter 11A data folder, right-click Subway Stops DBF, which is this one. And we're going to click Create Feature Class from XY Table. Create feature class from XY table. So this opens the Create Feature Class from XY Table dialog box. The table already has X field and a Y field assigned, but they are not correct. We're going to change X field option to point X, and then the Y field to point Y. And the Z field, we just leave it none. So note that the table also includes latitude and longitude measurements. But for the points to be displayed properly, the longitude and latitude values needed to be translated, respectively, into X and Y coordinates, as they have been here using the Add XY Coordinates tool. For a refresher about geographic coordinate systems, read more later. Next, you will specify the spatial reference. So now we're going to this window. Okay, coordinate system of output coordinates. We click this window, and now we're going to click this button. Now we click the coordinate system of input coordinate button on the spatial reference property dialog window. Spatial reference property dialog window. Now we're going to click this global button, add coordinate system drop down arrow, and choose import. Import the coordinate used by one of the shapefile in city geodatabase. Now in this case, we're going to do import. And we are going to do the health area or Manhattan neighborhoods, whichever is fine. And now whichever it is, now we have NAD 1983, State Plane, New York, Long Island, FIPS is 3104 feet. Perfect, and that's what we want. And is the imported coordinate system projected, or is a geographic coordinate system? So it is a projected coordinate system. It used the state plane. So which unit is feet. So we're going to click OK and back on the Create Feature Class from XY Table dialog box and specify the output as subway stops in geo. Click OK, and here we can see my data, and we're going back. So it's in Chapter 7, which I wanted to be our chapter 11, my data, and we're going to save as. Save it in here and then shapefile. Subway stops. So we have to change save as type so that we can get into the data, city data geodatabase and make it as a feature class in our geodatabase. Now we're going to click OK to create a feature class and then preview the subway stops. Hit save and hit make sure. See, now it's in our city geodatabase and we fix everything and our coordinates already fixed, and then hit OK and we're going to wait. Then we're going to preview our subway stops. And then we're going to create a thumbnail description for subway stops. And we'll have to see here. Oh, this is 11B. We don't need right now. And subway stops. And now we have this. And we're going to go to item description. And we don't have a thumbnail. We're going to create one, and we're going to go to property and see everything looks fine. Oopsies, until yay. Move around. Okay, now drag to the corner until this way. Yay. Okay, now we are going to do the ArcGIS tree. Okay. Where is our preview? We have to do it in ArcGIS. Okay. So now our tool is not there, and maximize the window, and we are in chapter 11. My data box in here, and we're going to do preview. And now finally we're going to see here. And now we're going to create a thumbnail there. And now we have contents back. We have our thumbnail here and options. This doesn't have the button and it doesn't give you the tool here. And now we are going to see, refresh a little bit. Back in here. Still not see, but we created in our catalog. Now let's bring our catalog back again. Chapter 11, my data and subway, and we have the thumbnail here. And let it refresh our catalog. And let's dock it by double click it. And now it's not showing here. Let's refresh it. Load. Let me see. Not go back. catalog tree. Let's click it again. Well, it's for some reason it's the thumb